Let's take a look at the brain. By the way, do you remember when you were a youngster, a child, growing up, maybe you got some of those plastic molded pieces and you could put them all together and build the body. We had a Mr. Potato Head, of course. Well, I thought what we'd do today is take the brain apart. I want to show you the segments of the brain because I don't know about you, but I sort of forgot about some of those parts after I got out of 8th grade in high school. In today's world, when we're dealing with Alzheimer's and dementias and cognitive impairment and so many complicated things, it's very essential that we understand the parts of the brain. Why do you want to know that? You just know there's something not right. Well, here's why you want to know what is going on in the brain. Every part of our brain is responsible for different actions, mobilities, problem solving, sensory, and this is part of your detective story. You are solving a mystery. What is going on with your loved one, or maybe yourself? A great way to pinpoint what's going on is understanding what functions different parts of our brain are responsible for. The cerebrum is where capabilities for remembering, problem solving, thinking, feeling, and movement are located. This is a biggie, obviously. And then we have the cerebellum. This is responsible for coordination and balance. The brainstem. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and controls automatic functions like breathing, digestion, heart rate, and blood pressure. The cortex. This is linked to interpreting sensations from your body, sights, sounds, and smells, generating thoughts, solving problems, making plans, forming and storing memories, controlling voluntary movement. Frontal lobe. This is over here. This is considered our emotional control center, and it's home to our personality. There is no other part of the brain where lesions can cause such wide variety of symptoms. The frontal lobes are involved in motor function, problem solving, spontaneity, memory, language, initiation, judgment, impulse control, and social and sexual behaviors. A lot, yes? The hippocampus. The hippocampus, like every other section of our brain, is equally important, and it is associated mainly with memory. It is particularly associated with long-term memory. This is the portion of the brain that helps information become memories. So this organ also plays an important role in our spatial navigation. Now let me just recap this wonderful thing called the brain. Every type of dementia will affect a different region of the brain. Sometimes a dementia will affect multiple segments of the brain. That's why it's important to know the type of dementia or dementias one has, and it allows you and your loved one to better understand the behaviors and characteristics to anticipate. You will be a much more effective care partner when you become a student of the specific dementia or dementias that you and your loved one are living with.